Yes, trenchless plumbing is worth adding for most homeowners dealing with old, cracked, or root-damaged pipes because it fixes the problem without tearing up your entire yard or driveway, saving you time, money, and a huge mess. Think of your old pipes like a straw with holes poked all along the side. Water and waste keep leaking out into the ground instead of going where they should. Traditional plumbing repair means digging a huge trench across your yard to reach that broken straw, which tears up grass, plants, and sometimes even sidewalks or patios. Trenchless plumbing works differently. Plumbers either pull a brand new pipe through the old one, or they coat the inside of the old pipe with a special resin that hardens into a smooth new tube. This second method is called pipelining, and it basically creates a pipe inside a pipe using almost no digging at all. Something most people do not know is that this resin lining can last 30 to 50 years, which is often just as long as the original pipe. It also fixes small cracks and root intrusion problems that would otherwise keep coming back with regular repairs. Because there is less digging, the whole job usually finishes in 1 or 2 days instead of a full week. One common mistake is assuming trenchless plumbing works for every situation, but if the pipe is badly collapsed or crushed, lining will not work and you may still need some digging. Always ask your plumber for a camera inspection first so you know exactly what condition your pipes are in. Another misconception is thinking trenchless always costs less, when really it depends on the length and depth of the pipe, so get a written estimate before assuming it is the cheaper option. People also forget to check if their sewer line insurance or home warranty covers trenchless repair, so call and ask before paying out of pocket. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Job It Here, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts reach out and message you back with their estimates.